Welcome back, bentornati su My Football Jersey. Here you are, a fantastic jersey from Italia, from the Serie A. This is the home jersey of Genoa for the new season. This is a fun version of a player that comes back in Italy after some years, Balotelli. Genoa was in the past one of the great teams in Italia. I don't remember very well, but they have probably 7 or 9 Scudetto. I like the jersey. This is a typical home jersey of Genoa. In my ranking, this is a 3 or 4 star, maybe 3, but let me know if you agree or not. If you like the jersey, please smash the like button and write a comment to tell me what other jersey you would like to see in the future. Before to say goodbye, I like to tell you, please subscribe the channel. I know for you it's just a click, but it means a lot for me. See you next time, ci vediamo alla prossima, ciao!